Hello everyone. Welcome back to HVAC official channel. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most common refrigerants used in the modern air conditioning industry, R-410A. Whether you are a technician or a student, this video will give you all the technical facts you need. What is R-410A? HFC, hydrofluorocarbon. Blend composition, 50% R-32 and 50% R-125. Near azeotropic mixture, R-410A is a hydrofluorocarbon, HFC blend. It is not a single gas, but a mixture of 50% ER32 and 50% R125. Because it is near azeotropic, the two gases behave almost like a single substance, which means it doesn't separate easily during leaks. Key characteristics: cylinder color, rose/pink, official ASHRAE color code. Ozone depletion potential, ODP, 0. Global warming potential, GWP, 2088. Oil type, POE, polyester, oil. You can easily identify R-410A by its rose or pink-colored cylinder. The best part? It has 0 ozone depletion potential, so it doesn't harm the Earth's ozone layer. However, it does have a high global warming potential. Note that R-410A systems strictly use POE oil for lubrication. Where is R-410A used? Residential air conditioning, split and window ACs, commercial HVAC systems, air source heat pumps, inverter technology systems. R-410A is the gold standard for residential split ACs, window units, and commercial heat pumps. It was designed to replace the older R-22 refrigerant because R-410A can absorb and release more heat, making the AC much more efficient. Physical properties: boiling point, minus 48.5 degrees Celsius, minus 55.3 degrees Fahrenheit, at atmospheric pressure. Critical temperature, 71.4 degrees Celsius, 160.5 degrees Fahrenheit. The boiling point of R-410A is very low, at approximately minus 48.5 degrees Celsius. This low boiling point allows it to operate at much higher pressures than other refrigerants. R-410A pressure guide. Standing pressure, 225 pounds per square inch to 250 pounds per square inch. Varies with ambient temperature. Suction, low side. Pressure, 120 pounds per square inch to 150 pounds per square inch. Discharge, high side. Pressure, 450 pounds per square inch to 600 pounds per square inch. R-410A operates at pressures nearly 60% higher than R-22. The standing pressure is usually between 225 and 250 psi. The suction or low side pressure typically runs between 120 and 150 psi. The discharge or high side pressure can reach a massive 450 to 600 psi. Always use high-pressure manifold gauges. Safety and handling. Charging method. Liquid phase only. Flip the bottle. Never mix with R-22. Use high-pressure rated recovery tanks. Since it is a blend, you must always charge R-410A in liquid phase to ensure the mixture ratio remains correct. Never top it up as a gas. Also, never try to put R-410A in an R-22 system. The high pressure will cause the compressor to fail or explode. So friends, this was complete information about refrigerant R-410A. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more HVAC learning videos. Thank you for watching.